Here's how to send leads to HubSpot with Unbounce. In your Unbounce account, go to All Pages and click one of your landing pages to open the page overview. From the page overview, click Integrations. Under Native Integrations, you'll see HubSpot. Click on it. A new window will appear asking you to connect with HubSpot. Click Connect with HubSpot, and you'll be redirected to the HubSpot login page. Log in to your HubSpot account. Once logged in, you'll see a screen that says Connecting Unbounce to HubSpot. Choose the HubSpot account you want to integrate with Unbounce, then click Choose Account. A permissions window will appear showing what Unbounce can access, such as CRM data, contact properties, company details, leads, deals, and forms. Click Connect App to authorize the integration. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Unbounce. You'll see that Unbounce has detected the forms available in your HubSpot account. Select the HubSpot form you want to send your Unbounce leads to, then click Continue. Once connected, your Unbounce page is now successfully integrated with HubSpot. Next, you can configure field mapping to match your Unbounce form fields with your HubSpot form fields. For example, map name field in Unbounce to the first name in HubSpot, map email in Unbounce, email in HubSpot, and do the same on the rest. If there are fields that don't have a match, for example, a phone number field that doesn't exist in HubSpot, you can skip them or create a new property in HubSpot later. After reviewing your mappings, click Save Changes. Unbounce will then confirm that your HubSpot integration is active and configured. Now, when a visitor fills out and submits your Unbounce form, their lead data will automatically be sent to your HubSpot account. To verify, go to your HubSpot dashboard and check the Forms section. You should see new submissions appearing along with the lead information collected from your Unbounce landing page. If HubSpot shows a message like unknown domain sending submission to your form, you simply need to add your Unbounce domain to your HubSpot analytics tracking settings to complete the connection. Once that's done, you'll start seeing new leads appear under your recent activity in HubSpot whenever someone submits your Unbounce form, and that's how to send leads to HubSpot with Unbounce.